Righto, sneaky peek and your comments, please. We are making the spacers for the front mudguard because we've got a wide glide kit. Not a wide glide kit, we've got a wide glide front end. Yeah, can't decide how to do it. This is the normal way. Nice bit of stainless tube. Not too big so it don't hang down on the mudguard, but it means it's a bit skinny on the forks there. And to complicate matters, the mounting hole for the forks is forward on this lug. So it's not central to this lug. So if we just make a big round thing with an hole in the middle, it's going to hang out here. And it's going to hang down here. So we've gone for the skinny slender, that side. This side, we've got the much more heavily engineered block of billet alloy that emulates this curve, that follows more or less this curve of the mudguard. That's got an offset hole in to get over what I've just said. And the back edge is machined flat, because that's kind of the shape of the forks. So we've got chunky monkey, yeah, all be polished, so it'll blend in. Everything there will look like chrome really, but polished aluminium, or skinny mini, what we're going for. I even thought of having this tapered or flared or something, but now we're starting to fuck about and make something a bit weird. So give me your comments. Let me know. Let me know what you think. I think I know which one I prefer, giving you no clues. Let me know.